Iligan City. Wave your pom-poms! Apela sa judging ka ba? You will be judged starting today depending on your energy and enthusiasm. No, ako ni-appeal how they react to the speakers the whole morning through the program, throughout the program. So we will include that. We will add that as a component for the judging. You know, teachers, kadungtong ko sa una, kunya na ng practice niya. Naagyapon may Teacher's Day sa una. Tapos ako, MC gyapon ko. Kunya, kamulong prepare. Siyempre kami gyapon kasayaw. No? Kami ka-prepare sa mga pagkaon. Then kamulong ang MC, doon din ka inyong contribution. That's why you are very lucky today. You are very lucky in this celebration that you are really given the respect and the honor that you deserve. No, ni-anhi mo diri as guests, ni-anhi mo diri as tagaan ng tribute, no? Tagaan ng tribute sa inyong mga officials o inyong mga stakeholders. Don't you know that we have a theme for the Teacher's Day celebration? Kabalo mo sa theme, Resilient Hearts, Inspiring Minds, Teachers as Pillars of Hope. What is the meaning of resilience? Unsa man ang resilience? To understand resilience, research ko online. What are the most resilient creatures in the planet? O ang number one, kamo na mag-research po sa number one most resilient creature. Ang number two is common in our household. And this creature can thrive in any place, in any given condition. And this creature is the cockroach. Ano cockroach man? Kaya ang ukok daw, makasurvive sa radiation. In fact, sa bombing sa Hiroshima, naghanakitan ng mga cockroaches na nabuhay ng Yapon. Sila na ang survive. What else? Ang cockroach, makasurvive isang asa ni mo ng ibutang na anak siya mabuhay. Ang third, the cockroach can live for weeks even without a head. Isang putlan pa natin mo siya ulo, mabuhay ng Yapon na siya for weeks. That is the cockroach. If I were to make a movie title for our celebration today, it would be My Resilient Heart. Everybody say, My Resilient Heart. Then ask your seatmate, how is your heart? Maunang problema karon, no? How is your heart? Let's look at, quietly, let's look at an ordinary day of a teacher. Ang ordinary day sa teacher. Teacher walks inside the class. It is said that teaching is like a walk in the park daw. Pero nalay sumpay, walk in the Jurassic Park. So it's difficult to deal with the creatures in the Jurassic Park. We have Tyrannosaurus Rex, we have other herbivores. This is just what we call, sa tawag metaphor, to describe that we deal with different personalities in the classroom. And that alone is very challenging. It takes a resilient heart to do that. Siguro, at the end of the day, makasulti mo mga kapoy na. Everybody say, kapoy na. Sumo na. Daay na. But before you sleep, mind you, ang teachers will take out their uniform. Look at it, then start pressing it. The plancha na mo. Then after that, you hang it on the wall, and sleep, and that is hope that tomorrow you will wake up and to wake, only to wear it again and face another day. That is resilience. Resilience na siya. Kanang naanad na inyong kasing-kasing. Diba? Naanad na ba sa inyong kasing-kasing sa kasakit? Naanad na ba sa problema? Naanad na ba sa inyong net-take kumpeng? Pero makita niyo ang resulta, di ba? Naiusahay, gamay na imong net-take kumpeng, pero tanaw niyo sa imong sala na insakto na ang tiles. Tanaw niyo sa imong anak, graduating na sa nursing. Tanaw niyo sa imong credentials, nakahumana ka sa imong master's degree. And that for me is a reward, no? And for me, the highest form, no, kanang, sa tawag ay anang kuhan, Maslow's hierarchy of need is self-actualization. And self-actualization can be reached and can be achieved only by no one but yourself. Nakakinahanglan tao lagi to have that feeling of self-actualization. Okay, another question. How can you be a pillar of hope to your students? How can you be a pillar of hope to your students? Na perfect na answer na. Ako rin po nakita sa answer. It's from the song, The Greatest Love of All. Ganito tingin mo, no? Teach them well and let them lead the way. Number one. Number two, say, Surana, and let them lead the way. Next.
Show me all the beauty.
Okay, number two. Show me the beauty that you possess inside. And the third is give them a sense of pride. That's how to be a pillar of hope. Number one, teach them how to lead the way. You know, more than ever, we need students, we need citizens who can be altruistic and benevolent leaders. When we say benevolent leaders, they are leaders who have the intention to help others. When we say altruistic leaders, they put welfare, no? The welfare of others before themselves. Naapa ba nakaroon ng mga leaders? That's why you teach our children to lead the way. Teach them, and is the beauty they possess inside. Karon ang beauty ng good, no? Measured by the luxury that they possess. No? Makita na ko ang mga influencers na ang ating mga possessions. We are doing with envy. But actually, the greatest possession, the beauty that we have inside, is the time-honored virtues and values that our forefathers bestowed upon us. And let's teach that to our children. And the second is sense of pride. And a third, sense of pride is when you feel satisfied because of your own achievements. So when you steal money, that is not a source of sense of pride. Sense of pride is when you, sa scouting pa, you do a good turn daily. Sa una, magsunod ka sa classroom nato, na itong honesty is the best policy. And we prove ourselves to be honest. We do things that make us honest, feel honest. That become a source of pride also for ourselves. So that's it, no? To be a pillar of hope for our children, let's teach what is beyond the curriculum. And these are the values, virtues, and leadership skills that we can bestow and give to our learners. Okay, amen? Do you agree? Okay, so that being said, I now welcome you all. But before that, let me thank Dr. Alizet Patalan for letting us use this facility for today's event. Dr. Nancy, Dr. Santiago, our Congressman Lehencia, we are here, the Chief of Staff Local, Honorable Mayor Frederick Shaw, for giving us around 20 million pesos for the research allowances for our teachers coming very soon. A round of applause! And to Honorable Congressman Lehencia for the prizes that you are going to enjoy today. And this year. So, teachers, let's all say and greet each other, Happy